Magandang araw po muli sa inyong lahat at sa videong ito ipapakita po namin sa inyo kung paano maglagay ng presentation file sa free worship software. All you have to do is click PowerPoint. Ayan, ang kailangan pong gawin ay file location lang. So, saan matatagpuan? So, nasa documents. So, make sure na hanapin natin documents at ito na po yung PowerPoint file na naglalaman ng sermon. Ayan, so ito yung halimbawa lang to guys ha. Yung title is The Corroded Cooking Pot in Ezekiel chapter 24 verse 1 to 5. So, paano natin siya i-ere? Click natin yung arrow down. Yan. So, as you can see, ito yung live output which means nakalabas na yung mga presentations sa screen. Yan. Alright, so dyan po nagtatapos sa ating video for today kung paano maglagay ng PowerPoint presentation file sa free worship software. So, ito yung free worship software ay ginagamit ko ito na nasa church ako. Yan, so shout out lang dyan sa Multimedia Ministry and maraming salamat po sa panonood sa aking video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on my social media accounts. So see you and have a good day. Stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye everyone.